Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can screen record using OBS Studio. Three ways you can record videos in OBS. First of all, you can only record yourself. Second, you can record your desktop or PC screen. And last one is at the same time you will record desktop screen and yourself. First of all, you have to search in Google OBS Studio. Then click here. Okay. Whenever you complete the download, then open. Okay. So here you can see that I right now recording my video on OBS Studio. Okay. So what are the basic setups for recording your video in OBS Studio? This is the interface of OBS Studio, and from here we will just in scene we will just click in plus icon, then we will create a new scene and we will just remove the previous one. Yeah, right now, just if you want to record your only computer screen, you have to click in plus icon from source, then display capture. From here display section, choose the display in 1920 into 1080. Then okay, just right now you can see that my screen, yeah, my computer screen is recording, yeah, full screen. Okay, so if I just start recording, so that means here you can see that my recording is keep going on, and if I just finished my video or recording, just stop recording. This is very simple. So, and right now we will see that how we can just capture our face and screen both at the same time. In source, just click in plus icon, then just video capture device, then okay. Then here you can see that my face is recording, that okay. Then here you can customize the size. And so I can record my screen and myself at both at the same time. If I just click in start recording, then it will record. And if I want to stop, then just to stop. But if I want only to capture myself, then just go to here, just to remove the display capture. Yes, remove. Then just select whole screen. Yes. Right now, I'm just recording myself. So this is very simple. Okay.